A very good day to Pon Hidayah. My name is Sneha, daughter of S. Bhaskaran, and my battery number is 10DLS19F1211. So, today my partner and I are going to present on how to handle the forklift in warehouse. The first step is operator must be qualified. Before driving the forklift, the operator must be qualified. The operator that handles the forklift must learn the driving process through the trainings. They also should obtain the forklift license and also the certificate. The second step is appropriate clothing must be worn. Operators should wear safety workwear that consists of hard hat, safety shoes and also high visibility jacket. The workwear must be fit because the loose clothing can stuck in the machine. The third step is starting up the forklift. For safety purpose, it is important to follow the steps and hand grabs correctly. Before starting the forklift, make sure all the equipment's control are reachable, which means the operator can reach the steering, brake and also horn. And make sure that the seat and mirror are adjusted correctly. Then it is crucial to fasten the seat belt before starting the forklift. Step number 4 is consider the surrounding environment. The operator must only drive on designated roadways. They should also observe and follow all the signs are given. The fifth step is operate at a safe speed. Never exceed the speed limit and always take turn at slow speed.
My name is Dineshwaran, son of Manoharan. My matric number is 10DLS19F1105. Avoid hazards. Steer clear of any bumps or uneven ground surface along with slippery condition. Steer clear of loose ground objects which could cause loss of control over the equipment or a load to move around. Use horn when closing in on a corner or doorway or entrance and around people to alert pedestrians or other forklift operator of your warehouse to avoid any unnecessary collisions. Keep a safe distance from other truck in case they move in an unpredictable manner. Make sure that you always have enough space to stop safely. Beside that, driving on ramps. When driving up ramps, move in a forward direction and down ramps in reverse, especially while carrying loads. Do not load or unload goods or turn whilst on a ramp. Ensure the forklift is do not overloaded. Do not use the tip of the forks as a lever to raise a heavy load. Do not push load with the tip of the forks. Know the capacity of your forklift and any attachment being used and never exceed this capacity. An overload can cause the rear tires to be raised off the ground and may cause the forklift to tip over. Other than that, refilling a forklift should only be refilled at specially designated location. Switch off the forklift. For IC engine forklift, no open flame or spark are permitted, and refilling should take place in a well ventilated area. Finally, when the shift ends, after use, ensure the forklift is parked in a designated or authorized area. Fully lower the fork to the lower and apply the park brake. Turn forklift off and remove the key. Do not leave a forklift running whilst unattended.
Let's look at the precautions of handling the forklift. The precautions of handling the forklift is check mask and overhead guard for damage and also test operating controls such as brake, light and also steering wheel.
Examine tire pressure and fluid levels. Beside that, ensure the forks are in good condition. Finally, check for water, oil or radiator leaks. That's all from me. Thank you.